Hi there, I'm Carmen Coker, professional organizer and creator of the Clutter Cleanse. Today I'd like to introduce you to Jane. She, like you, wants to get organized, and together we're going to cover the top 5 residential trouble spots for clutter and what you can do to organize them. The good news is you don't need one of these to accomplish this goal. First up, the home office. The problem: overcrowded libraries with books, magazines, and files, as well as large electronics like computers, printers, and shredders, translate to little usable extra space. The solution: toss magazines and newspapers first, as they are normally the easiest to part with and will give you a motivating win to start. Give away unwanted books to charity. If your budget allows, consider switching out a desktop computer for a laptop, opening up more room. Dust, label, and arrange the computer cables in an attractive manner. Second, the bedroom closet. The problem: closets always seem to feel too small, especially to the ladies. I'm talking to you with a big shoe collection. The solution: remove out-of-season clothing and accessories and place them elsewhere in the home. Relocate or purge any items that don't belong in a clothes closet, like sports equipment, papers, and junk. Then situate the remaining in-season items as if on display in your favorite store or magazine. Next, the kitchen. The problem: as the heart of the home, the kitchen sees high traffic volumes and it normally looks worse for wear. The solution: make your kitchen into an orderly command center. Remember, you want to make sure that your kitchen has everything you need to survive a crisis, not that it looks like you just went through one. Rethink any small appliances you don't use on a daily basis. Check the junk mail and use a tidy basket to hold bills and other essential paperwork. Fourth, the garage. The problem: the garage is a catch-all for, well, everything. The solution: pull everything out of the garage, purge the clutter, and then separate the remaining items into categories like auto accessories, camping equipment, yard tools, recycling containers, etc. Find a home for and use tasteful storage to display each category. The key to organizing a garage is to make use of the elevated space, like the walls, for storage racks and the ceiling for a false attic. Fifth and final, the yard, which most people don't consider actually, and that's really the problem. It's easy to ignore the dead patch of grass in the backyard because you have more pressing matters, but the outside of a home is reflective of the inside of a home. The solution: have a discovery session where you walk around your house making a list of necessary outdoor improvements. Then schedule a daily to-do on your calendar or outsource the task. This is a great chore for kids until all items are crossed off. See, I promised. So simple, even Jane can do it. And the best part? No wrecking ball necessary. This is Carmen Coker signing off. We'll see you next time.